No offense, Angie's listed Yelp, but they have no code of ethics that members must abide by. So what I want to talk about today is the National Association of Remodeling Industry and why you should know about it. I think this is one of the most difficult and expensive industries for clients to vet people who are going to come into their home and destroy it and put it back together on time, on budget, beautifully. Yelp is great if you want to research a restaurant to see if their vibe is good, or if you want to find out somebody's opinion on the barista that wrote their name incorrectly on their cup. So what can you do to vet the people that you invite into your home, whether it's electricians or contractors or painters or designers and architects? NARI is a peer-reviewed organization that exists to better the members, the education, their standing in the community. There's no other organization like this that people are generally going to.